Alright guys, so we got a little recovery mission today. We're headed to Newtown, Pennsylvania. A local customer called us out. 48 F-100, bought the truck, and now we got a recovery mission. Ford. So yeah, so it's all off.
Okay, I see.
He was replacing the lifters on it, rockers and doing all that. He got Parkinson's, so he couldn't hold his hand and he was just getting too shaky. The plan is to get it back together, hook up everything to it, and get it to run and drive nice. I like the patina on it.
I agree.
This is a full shop truck. But look, the interior is not too bad. I'm gonna throw a new carpet in it. I'm gonna fix the seat. You know what I love about these trucks? I think every guy over 35 should own an old school truck like this that runs good, that drives good, that you can just jump in it, take it to Home Depot. I think it's such a vibe.
I agree.
Guys, it's a vibe to own a cool classic truck and do Home Depot runs. Here, so we're gonna have a little bit of rust repair there. It's not too bad. It's always crazy because when you're in the garage you can't see anything.
Yeah.
Great.
Cut that way hard.
What do you guys think? Do you think this is a good buy? I think it is. I think it'll make a good shop truck. You know, a little bit of rust we gotta fix. We're gonna get back to the shop, talk to the guys, see what they want to do out of it. Alright guys, so 48 Ford is loaded up, ready to go. It's got no drivetrain in it. Well, it's got some of it in it, but it's half apart. We're gonna get it back to our shop in Pendel. We'll figure out a plan to get this puppy back on the road.
Right now we're unloading the truck, seeing what's going on.
It's just a nice driver, mild, look, we'll put a mild cam in it, make it a nice driving truck. Sounds good, nothing radical, but enough where Alright guys, so successful recovery.